and suddenly a feeling of being healed. Things start happening. Miracles start happening. A new world opens its doors to you. The blue sky opens out farther and farther. You have a blue sky inside you, far deeper and far vaster than the outer sky, and far more beautiful. A million suns come forward with light. Kabir says, I cannot describe what is happening inside me. There are whole rivers of light. All is light, nothing is dark. And all is life, nothing is death. And all is eternal, and nothing is time. A million suns come forward with light. The meeting, the ultimate meeting of the soul with the God, of the lover with the beloved. And there is music. Music which is eternal. It is simply there. Something strange is happening, Kabir says. Some bells are ringing and nobody is ringing them. The sound of one hand clapping. If you look in, the damage I have done to myself fades. A million suns come forward with light. All darkness disappears. The guest is close by. His very presence is a healing force. He makes you whole. Just by His presence, you are whole. When you start feeling a well-being, a wholeness, when your agony starts disappearing and instead of agony, ecstasy arises in you, know well, God is close by. Listen attentively, you will hear His footsteps coming closer and closer and closer. That moment is the moment, the momentous moment when the guest appears. Those millions of suns simply declare His coming, that He is very close by. Miracles start happening, and you are entitled to miracles. Miracles are your birthright. And Kabir says, I cannot describe what is happening inside me. There are whole rivers of light. Hans Ubaran, Dukh Nivaran. The moment I saw him, the bird was freed from the cage. And all misery disappeared. Avagaman mite chan mein. And in a split second, I was freed from the wheel of life and death. How lucky Kabir is that surrounded by all this joy, he sings inside his own little boat. A million suns come forward with light. All darkness disappears. At the innermost core is the source of light, as if millions of suns have suddenly come in. A million suns come forward with light. All darkness disappears. Kabir says, listen, my friend, there is one thing in the world that satisfies, and that is a meeting with the gas.